If one unexpected expense can destabilize your entire life, you don't have a spending problem. You have a buffer problem. And until you fix that, nothing else in your financial life will feel stable. Not investing, not side hustles, not budgeting. Today, I'm going to show you how to build something most people skip, and it's the reason they stay financially anxious for years. It's called a freedom fund, and if your income feels stretched, tight, constantly under pressure, this is where you start. And if you're committed to building real financial control, not just watching videos about it, subscribe and turn on notifications. Because the next video is about increasing income without increasing stress. Let's be honest. Living on a tight income is exhausting. Every month feels like survival math. You calculate bills before they arrive. You delay purchases. You hope nothing unexpected happens. And that constant pressure? It drains your focus. You can't think long-term when you're defending short-term emergencies. That's why this is not about getting rich fast. This is about creating breathing room. Most people call it an emergency fund. I don't like that word. Emergency sounds reactive. Freedom sounds proactive. Emergency is panic. Freedom is power. This money is not for disasters. It's for options. Options to leave. Options to move. Options to think clearly. That psychological shift matters. Step 1. Create distance between you and your savings. Because accessibility destroys discipline. When money is visible, it feels available. Your freedom fund must feel slightly inconvenient to touch. Even if it only has $20 inside. This is architecture. You're building structure, not chasing motivation. Step 2. Automate before you feel ready. Most people wait until they have extra. Extra never comes. Instead, you automate first. $10, $25, $50 if you can. Small is fine. Consistency is power. Automation removes emotion. You don't debate it. You don't think about it. You don't negotiate with yourself. It just happens. And that consistency builds something more valuable than money. Trust in yourself. Step 3. Ignore it. Psychological control. Now here's where maturity comes in. You ignore it. You don't track it daily. You don't mentally spend it. You let it sit. Because this fund is not lifestyle money. It's stability money. When it hits your first $100, you'll feel relief. At $500, you'll feel calm. At 1 month of expenses, you'll feel different. You'll speak differently. You'll negotiate differently. Confidence grows quietly. Why this changes your income long term. Here's something most people miss. A freedom fund can actually increase your income. Why? Because desperate people accept anything. Stable people choose better. You negotiate better when you're not afraid. You leave toxic environments faster. You take calculated risks. Financial breathing room changes behavior. Behavior changes income. The upgrade path. Phase 1, $500 basic protection. Phase 2, 1 month of expenses, stability. Phase 3, 3 months, flexibility. Phase 4, 6 months, leverage. Only after this do you focus heavily on investing. Foundation before multiplication. Always. If your income feels tight, if money feels stressful, don't chase complicated strategies. Build your freedom fund first. Small, automatic, untouched. Because wealth isn't built in excitement. It's built in stability. And stability creates freedom.